Greetings, Sayans. Oh my gosh, I must say it has been a while. I feel like not taking this video already now. I've had it with selections. But anyway, what I will do is to go through the very last exercise, which is exercise 3.34. This is it right here. They're telling us that programming exercise 3.32 shows how to test whether a point is on an unbounded line. Okay. Revise programming exercise 3.2 to test whether a point is on a line segment. Right. Write a program that prompts the user to enter the points P0, P1, and P2 and displays whether P2 is on the line segment from P0 to P1. Okay. They gave us 2 sample runs here. Okay. Is there something else I've got to know? Oh, nope. Okay. So what I did is I copied and pasted some portion of exercise 3.32. There's nothing complicated though. It's only this part where I read user input and store all those values on their corresponding variables. So what I want to say, or I only want to say, if determinant is 0 and x2 is less than or equals to x1 and x2 is greater than or equals to x0. There's another and y2 is less than or equals to y1 and y2 is greater or equals to y0. Okay, y0. I hope you've checked out this equation here, you folks. And if you didn't, please do so on your PDF, which I assume you have. And if you don't, oh my god, you're not ready for this, truth be told. Okay? Else, I'll simply copy this, then paste it. Is not, and put the word not right here. Okay, this is the crucial part, because what we want is to make sure that point 2 is within the correct boundaries. Okay, now let's hit the run button and check what do we get. I'm afraid this computer might die anytime from now, because electricity is gone here in Mayville, Kettlecrest. That's where I'm at. If you didn't know, I'm in South Africa, Mayville, South Africa, KwaZulu-Natal, Mayville, Kettlecrest. Okay, there is on the line segments. I bet this is not. As I was saying, folks, I'm in Mayville. I'm in South Africa. As you guys can see, it works. South Africa, KwaZulu-Natal, Durban, Mayville, Kettlecrest. It's bad out here, you folks. You don't even have